Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for suction like no other. You can check out Moosoo's website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out the website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below. They even have a special promotion on their website going on right now, so do go and check them out. So the guys over at Moosoo have their cordless stick vacuum cleaner, which is the upgraded version. With a couple of standout features that the cordless stick vacuum cleaner has is that it's super lightweight, which makes it really easy to use. It spots a really powerful cleaning head attachment that provides about 17 kilopascals of airlift, has a really easy to empty translucent bin that opens downward at the push of a button, which I find really advantageous, and shows off LED lights to reveal spots that are a bit more messy that require more than one pass. So the Moosoo K17 is a vacuum cleaner that offers much more for less. Its suction is high enough, the filtration system is excellent, and the maneuverability is impressive. I would recommend it for its cleaning abilities, versatility, and ease of use. The battery pack is easily detachable and only takes about 4 hours to charge. But do note, you have to charge the battery pack on the machine. Its detachable HEPA filter and honeycombs are 100% washable, so you don't have to worry about dust accumulations and replacements. The unit sports multi-angle turning and an adjustable extension tube that makes it super versatile to use. It works on all surfaces, whether it's hardwood, carpets, tiles, marbles, you name it, the Moosoo K17 can clean it. When I received the vacuum, I thought it was a bit small, but to my surprise, the vacuum in the box was a beast. It is a smaller size vacuum compared to others, but it works great. It was super easy to assemble and was very lightweight. It can reach all the nooks and crannies a regular vacuum cleaner just can't reach. Because it's light, it maneuvers wonderfully. I also got an extra battery pack and a few filters for a nice low price. It works better and is a lot cheaper than a lot of big name brands. I can't stress enough how extremely easy enough the maneuvering of the K17 was, especially under beds and dressers. I love the fact of how easy it is to clean afterwards. All you have to do is just empty the canister. So this was my first cordless vacuum, and so far I am impressed. It's light and powerful. The included attachments make it a deal I couldn't pass up. To sum everything up, the Moosoo K17 is an extremely versatile cordless vacuum cleaner that's definitely earned a spot in my cleaning cabinet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Moosoo's website down in the description below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!